Hey ghouls, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Daniela, I'm Portuguese, and this is my little cookie channel. I usually speak in Portuguese, but this is one of my, I think they were two resolutions from my New Year's list of resolutions. One was to go to the gym. No, I still haven't got to that, sorry. And another was to speak in English. I'm really rusty, so help me get to a level of excellency. Please be nice. I also got my hair colored. Yeah, I was blonde or trying to be blonde, but I got sick of it. My hair was really unhealthy, so black. And as you could see by the title, we're making a black lip scrub also. I usually make my lip scrubs, I don't buy them. I use a homemade recipe. It's a really common recipe. I just added a twist to make this lip tar like petroleum, or I don't know, lip tar from hell, made of the souls of my enemies. So as you can see, you have the sugar and the other ingredients. It is really easy to make. Yeah, so if you want to know, to learn how to make this awesome gothic or whatever lip scrub, just keep on watching. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe. This lip scrub is really easy to make, as you could see. I don't know if the lighting helps. It's really black. You know how to use it. If you don't, I will explain. You just scoop. I don't want to mess up my fingers, but you scoop a bit and you just rub it gently for about 2 minutes in your lips, and you can repeat this like I do this, I don't know, like once a week, every week. I have really chappy lips, and there you go. It's really easy and cheap, and why not? Black. Everything in my life is, so why not? That's all for now. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please thumbs up and subscribe. If you also made this lip scrub, please tell me about it on the comments below. If you liked it, if you enjoyed it, if it was hard, easy.
Tell me all about it.
And we'll see you. Will? Or I will? I don't know. Oh my god, please help me.
So, I'll see you in the next one.